Okay, I'm looking at VIPs here for a long. I'm wanting to long it over the high of this candle here that it's recently making off of a VWAP bounce. Obviously got tons of support here down at the VWAP. Trying to do a little bit better of a job reading the tape here. I'd like to take it back to high a day. Ultimately, anyway, but we'll see what it wants to do around about halfway, around the 10-cent mark. Alright, I'm in. So far, okay. Just have to see if it wants to keep moving up here. Ooh, market's turning pretty hard actually. Okay, I need to take half or most off here anyway, as soon as it gives me a reason to, and there's the reason right there. Alright, market is SPY's really dropping right now. I don't know what to make of that, but I'll take that bounce. That was definitely a really good bounce. Exited all here, looking kind of weak, so I'm just gonna take it and walk away. SPY's really dropping right now, it's kind of crazy. Okay, I'm gonna be done for the day. It's really kind of impressive how fast things are just dying out. I mean, I'm staring, I don't know, I had maybe 8 stocks on my watch list and they all just kind of slowly start to fade away here, and I mean the volume just kind of disappears in everything. Just not really seeing any more good setups. I guess there could be a bear flag, kind of a bear flag going on here, but I don't want to short a stock that's moving right into all these moving averages. I mean, you can see this pretty much everywhere. STX I was looking at for a wedge breakout. Ooh, what happened there? Something going on there. But only trade that I took today was VIPs. It was really good today because I definitely saw exactly what I wanted to see on the time and sales. Pretty much as soon as I entered in, started seeing a bunch of green, people moving in on my side, and then took profits probably a little too early maybe, but I definitely didn't want to, being down $200 since the last week, I definitely want to start this week with the winner. So being up 60 bucks isn't a problem, but what the main takeaway from this thing that I did see is that after it pulled back like this, it started creeping up and the buyer started taking over again, and once it took out and made a new high here, it really took off, started getting above the 20. So I think that's another situation where I can look to add back into a trade because I already took $50 in profits, and there's nothing wrong with re-entering the trade if I think the trend is going to continue the same way that it just did here. Probably could have taken profits again above 20 or something. I don't really know exactly what my plan would have been, but either way it would have worked out, so that was a pretty good trade there. I was looking at MU too for another pretty much really a long, but same situation. I mean, the 50's coming down on it, and then the 90 MA at the time was sitting right there at the 40, and that's right about here where it was kind of struggling. But once it broke through, it really started taking off, and I mean, that's just kind of one of those trades that you shouldn't be taking. I mean, it worked, but I feel like, 6 or 7 times out of 10, it's not going to work. So just kind of gotta stay away from that. I don't know, not a bad day. I'm kind of looking at a bunch of cryptocurrency stuff right now, seeing what else I want to put my money in. I've definitely been paying a lot of attention to that lately since the stock market's been fairly slow. However, obviously crypto is not. So I've kind of been putting my own strategies into cryptocurrency as well. I mean, it's really easy money, honestly. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but you can pretty much long just about anything, and it's almost just gonna be a guaranteed winner. I mean, I've been in Ripple since 39 cents and it's sitting at 240 right now. That's been my best one. But I'll just have to be hopping around there. I don't know, maybe I'll make a crypto video at some point down the road. But as for right now, I'm just kind of using a little bit of play money, really, not going anything too big or extreme into it. But I mean, it's been working out really well. So that's all I got for today. Just gotta be practicing, do some more tape reading, studying, got some more articles that I saved to read, and I'll be back tomorrow. Thanks for watching.